everybody. Hi. I'm Kelly.
You're close up.
Sorry. Shout out for my daughter for videotaping me. That's really bad. I bet you that is like watching in the camera going, oh my god, stupid. Hi everybody, my name's Kelly. I'm from South East Queensland, beautiful part of this world. Stop laughing, I don't know what to say. Anyway, I'm a new YouTuber and content creator. Even though it's like my first, I'm a content creator. So I'd love to take you on a tour of my garden and come and follow me. Come. So this is our beautiful place. This is not our beautiful place. This is our greenhouse. Come on down, come on down. We're in a rental house at the moment, but you try and do what you do, right? So come on down to our first little garden here that I've made, and shout out to our fabulous George who made all of these beautiful wooden raised garden beds. Yay, good on you, George. Okay, first in our garden beds, we've got some beautiful potatoes and some onions here as well. Our potatoes that we've got, I can never ever remember names, is a red Pontiac. And we've also got some Dutch cream. So they're going wonderfully at the moment. They still have a little bit to go, but they're doing really well. I had to add a second raised garden bed on top of those so that they have more room for the potatoes to grow. And here we've got some capsicums and we've got some chilies here. This is Ludo's going in for the chilies, the hot stuff. And we've got some chili inferno pack. My husband absolutely loves chilies, so we thought that we would grow some chilies here. And in between the garden beds we've got some lovely calendula flowers. This is our 18-month-old Ludo. You'll see Ludo in these videos a lot. So say hi, Ludo. We've got some tomatoes growing in the back here. I love the look of these ones. Look at the little babies coming. So good. These ones are called Rapunzel. So yeah, hopefully they look like those in the end. And I'm not too sure either side of what these tomatoes are. I think I just threw some seeds in there and wish for the best. And then we've got some really yummy basil growing, because you've got to have basil with tomatoes, right? Yeah. And then we've got in between another partition. And this morning while I was watering, I noticed something changing over here. We've got some strawberries, and my daughter absolutely loves strawberries, so this is a garden for her. This is her payment for the video. Come on down. We've still got plenty to go. Oh guys, this is a future project that I'm going to do, so stay tuned, subscribe to this channel, and this is going to be all stained and nice and made into a nice little outdoor area. Come on down. And we've got our herb garden here. So we've got some mint, some chives, some thyme, rosemary. We've got parsley. We've got the other green one there, lemon balm, I think it is. And the other green ones, not too sure what they are. And then we've got heaps more along here. We've got some more chives, got some more tomatoes. I'm doing a lot of tomatoes because I want to make lots of passata. And these ones that I've got on here, sorry if I'm I've got tomato beefsteak. They're the real big chunky ones, the ones that you can put on your burger buns. And they look really good. These ones here, these ones are the mini Roma. And then these ones here, we've got, where is the little, there it is. We've got the Grosselissi. My French is getting better every day. And then we've got some basil and some chives as well. We've got some poor, unfortunately, sacrificial beans at the back here that for some reason have not taken. I'm not too sure if it's actually bean season or not, or whether it's just me and my black thumb. But we've got some corn out the front, and evidently they are going from largest to smallest here. Not too sure how that was done. They were all planted at the same side. So anyway, just showing what you can do in a very, very small backyard area. And if you have a look on the grass, we're still patching up the grass. Just came through and tried to help with some drainage areas, so we're trying to rebuild this grass at the moment. So subscribe. And this is our lovely greenhouse here, except it's not a greenhouse, it's a storage full of our garden tools and everything, because unfortunately this home doesn't come with a shed, and yeah, they said no to a shed. So, and then this is one of my favorite parts right here, and it's going to be and sorry about the noise in the background as well, because as you can see, as you can hear, there's a massive road at the back of us, and that is pretty much what you hear like constantly, like during the day. So if we make lots of plants here, I'm hoping that the sound, those birds, everything will overtake a little bit of that. So actually for this tour, I might just put some music in the background for you. He's the star. Okay guys, I really hope that you like the first part of the tour. This is just the outdoor area and I have so much to show you. We still have indoor plants to discover, and with the help of these two beautiful little specimens. This is Nitro. This is our 9-year-old Rhodesian Ridgeback Cross boxer who just turned 9. So happy birthday, Nitro. And this is Ludo, our 18-month-old golden retriever. So come along, subscribe. I'd love you to be a part of this new channel. And yeah, I'm not a gardening guru or an expert of any sort whatsoever. but I love plants, I love gardening, and I love to share new experiences and like I'll see you in the next one. Bye.